May mga gabing ako'y gising.
Every great achievement begins with a simple step forward, and GrabX is that step for us today. It is my great honor to welcome you to the official launch of GrabX, our new dropshipping platform.
So nag-uumpisa lahat sa traditional way kung paano tayo mag-market and to do sales. But the problem is, paano natin gagawin yung isang mahirap na negosyo na gawin nating simple? Maraming nangangarap at maraming gustong pumasok sa industry na tinatawag nilang dropshipping.
Purpose is to serve you produkto na may malasakit, and RX Lifestyle is the company for the people.
RX family, our family na also. Wala po kayong dapat alalahanin. It's always going to be the best services, the best quality, the best partnership that we can offer to you all.
Mas lalo sana kayong maging proud. Kasi yung produkto ninyo sa merkado ay one of the best talaga. Yes, one of the best talaga.
There's something po in it that you can claim that this product is one of a kind na meron dito sa Pilipinas that will help their health. So I want to congratulate you everyone. I can see po a very bright future for the RX Lifestyle product and family. Congratulations everyone.
Ilaw sa dilim ng bawat pangarap ko.
I'm taking Rixovit and naboost ang ano ko dito.
I'm very grateful and thankful for this company.
Thank you, RX Lifestyle.
I'm so grateful that I'm here because of the Rixovit Advance. Nakabiyahe ako ng ganito kalayo, hindi na ako nahihilo. I'm so excited that I belong in this RX Lifestyle family.
And I've seen the great opportunity in this company. Thank you very much, RX Lifestyle.
Black Panthers Coronadal! Thank you, Royal Excellence Lifestyle!
I hope that your confidence about the product Rexovit has been reinforced coming from the manufacturer itself.
Andun po ako nung panahon na nagsisimula po si Rexovit Advance at makakasiguro po kayo kung ano po yung pinangako namin sa inyo hanggang dulo, ayun po ang ibibigay namin sa inyo at simula pa lang po ito at mas magiging matatag pa po ang ating partnership para sa mga tagumpay na ating iisang goal.
Hindi na ako yung dati, takot ay napalitan ng tapang gabi-gabi habang iba'y nagdududa, ako ay umaasa.
So ito pa yung simula ng ating tagumpay sa RX Lifestyle. Alphonse team.
Hi!
So sana, hey, sabay-sabay tayong sumabog ito. 3 months old company. See you on top.
RX Lifestyle, Chada Cagayan, Black Eagles! Yay!
I was approached by a friend. Tinanong ko siya una, ano ba to, networking? So sabi ko, no way. Pero later on, nang sinabi niya sa akin about the product, I am taking a lot of vitamins. Nang sinabi niya na there is a missing link na sinasabi nila, I began to put interest in that. Then later on, sabi ko, why not mag-join na lang ko ng business para makatipid ako, makamura ako, makalibre ako. Then I was amazed. In 2 weeks time, I earned mga 9,000. Naka-withdraw na ako ng 2 times. So I was very happy. I want to work more in this because I enjoy traveling, I enjoy the environment, I enjoy always happy. At my age, I'm 72 years old. But look at me, I'm taking Rexovit vitamins. So parang I feel strong na. Rexovit, the #1 vitamins.
Alam nyo na, we're so busy, ang dami nating ka-stressan sa buhay. And I found it out na talagang magandang effect sa amin. Ina-activate niya ang katawan natin every morning pa lang as we take it. Ang tulog ko, nagiging okay. Naku, ang sarap-sarap ng tulog ko. Unlike before na ang dami kong mga iniisip. But this time, I am more relaxed. We really plan na itong RX Fit, ito na i-share namin sa mga friends, sa mas maraming tao para ang health nila maging okay. Lalo na yung mga sabon, I also enjoyed using the soap and ang daming nangyayari, maganda yung skin ko, tingnan nyo.
Para sa lakas at suporta sa bawat hakbang.
So our idea is that why not to put nutrients in the coffee itself? So tatanggalin natin yung guilt. Okay, given, ihi ka ng ihi, diuretic siya, pero nawawala yung guilt feeling mo because while you are sipping a cup of coffee, you are also replenishing the nutrients na nalulos mo during frequent urination. The right amount of coffee and sweetness and of course the active ingredients na talagang swak sa panglasa ng Pinoy. DropX is an e-commerce platform developed by the team of RX Multimedia in a production to create a simple way to do business in online. Kahit nasa bahay kayo, kahit nasa ibang bansa, you can do business sites of social media at saka sa Facebook. So yung mga leads na ginagawa nyo ngayon, yung kinakausap nyo yung mga prospect nyo, it's much more easier to do sa pamamagitan ng DropX.
Tayo nagsalo-salo para lang ganito kasi marami tayong mga future initiatives na pwede natin gawin for RX Lifestyle sa ating mga distributors sa online payments.
Congrats everyone and sa RX Lifestyle team na I know mag-go pa to in the future, baka nasa malaking venue na in the future after maybe months, nasa malaking venue na kayo, nag-grow. Dito lang ang Paycools para sa inyo in terms of payment, solutions, and smooth transactions. And we know with this, mas mapapadali yung paglago. Since kahit nasan ka man, nasan sa lugar ka, through cashless payment, mas madaling makaka-receive ng commissions, payments, kapag meron kayong kailangan.
Ilaw sa dilim ng bawat pangarap ko. Lakas ng loob,
nakita na ako na maayo ang resulta, nawala ang ako ang arthritis o na libaga akong buhok gamay o ako ang cyst sa tiil. Makatabang sa kadaghanan mga pastor o daghan mga tao na nagipangbasa isang panglawas.
Abtik yung ko permi, nag-boast ang ako ang immune system. Salamat kayo kang Ma'am Merlinda Habing sa iyang pag-introduce na po sa RX Lifestyle.
Masarap ang tulog, then relax ka, then successful, and of course to earn more and to change the life of the needy.
I've been on a journey from New Zealand, so far to be very excellent with the problems that I have with my body. They certainly have outdone anything that I can get a hold of back in New Zealand. So I'm very grateful for that. I'm enjoying the bonding of the people here. They look after me very well. And I intend to stay in this for the long haul.